Wait, the ticket is by per day basis or like
Huh?
it's a per day thing or like you
Per
buy the
day.
ticket once you just